unsa ni pagkanta ni Alex O? Aduna ba'y banda? Tigapilog contest, choir member ba sa una?
Before yung mo kanta.
Before mo kanta.
Pero karon sa church.
Sa church. So kinsay nag-push gud nimo nga mo perform diri sa video okay karon?
Ako ang mga ka-works diri sa Brew House.
Kaway. Yo, what up Brew House? Salamat sa pagsuporta ni Alex O. Okay. Ang second taon ni Alex O. Breathless. Tinawa. Dagan kayo ni-react ko. Ready na ba si Alex O?
Ready na lang.
Okay. Since ready na ang tanan, ako nang ihatag ang entablado sa video okay. Palakpakan nato si Alex O para siyang kanta nga Breathless.
Go on, leave me breathless. Come on. Hey, yeah. The daylight's fading slowly. The time with you is standing still. I'm waiting for you only. The slightest touch and I feel weak. I cannot lie. From you I cannot hide. And I'm losing my will to try. Can't hide it, can't fight it. So go on, come on, leave me breathless. Help me, tease me, until I can't deny this love and feeling. Let me long for your kiss. Go on, yeah, come on. Come on, Tanay. Yeah, yeah. And if there's no tomorrow, and all we have is here and now, I'm happy just to have you. You're all the love I need somehow. It's like a dream, although I'm not asleep. And I never want to wake up. Don't lose it, don't leave it. So go on, come on, leave me breathless. Help me, tease me, until I can't deny this love and feeling. Let me long for your kiss. Go on, yeah, come on. I cannot lie. From you I cannot hide. I've lost my will to try. Can't hide it, can't fight it. So go on, come on, leave me breathless. Help me, tease me, until I can't deny this love and feeling. Make me long for your kiss. Go on, come on, leave me breathless. Go on, come on, leave me breathless. Go on, come on, leave me breathless. Go on.
Lexer, pili atong ihatag nga score ni Alex O ug ngano?
10 lang siya daw tingog nga dili maulaw.
Wow, talawa na. Jay, unsay pili atong score ihatag ni Alex O ug ngano?
For me is kuan lang. 10 lang siguro kay amiga man mi. Nya kuan pod napukaw pod ang mga crowd diri nga sa ato mga bisita diri sa Negosyantings. Yes, I.
Yeah.
Kuan akong ihatag 10 kay kung mura ko gipusil tong last performer, mura kong note na ginawa niyang breathless nga performance karon. So kung kape ni siya makumpara na kong espresso kay makabuyog kalag. So
Alex O, wala damha, nakuha ni mong perfect score nga 30. daw kag papremyo gikan sa atong sponsor. Congratulations, you're welcome.
Bidzers, kung kamo mohatag og grado, pila ka ha, ug ngano? Ug asa na pud mo ganahan nga mo bisita ang Bitzy Okay? Just comment down below. Ug ganahan sad mo nga mo sponsor og episode, email us at info@bitzy.com. Ayaw kalimot og like, share, subscribe sa Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram o Spotify para updated ka sa mga upcoming videos nato.